Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I want to share with you a cool trick that I'm using to create silhouettes in Canva. Yes, exactly, I'm going to show you how to turn any object from the photo into silhouette image. It's really easy and looks awesome. The silhouette effect makes your photos look mysterious and dramatic. Or you can create a custom silhouette from that photo and then download it. However, for all that I will teach you, you will need a Canva Pro subscription. This is because I will use the Pro tools. So, let's begin by opening Canva and create a new canvas. Now, upload the photo you want to make into a silhouette or open the library in Canva. Then, just drag and drop it onto the design page. Okay, here is where the magic happens. In the toolbar at the top, click on Edit Image or Edit Photo. A bunch of new options will pop up for editing your photo. Select the Magic Wrap tool. Using the Magic Wrap, you can easily separate the image from the background, and you can check if the tool works correctly by selecting the image you want to separate from that photo and moving it around the background. But we are not done yet. To create a silhouette from that object you have separated, click on that object and then on the Edit Photo or Edit Image option in the toolbar. Now find the Effect section and here select Duotone Effect. Once selected, click on Custom option, change the colors for highlights and shadows to black and adjust the intensity to 100. Now, since we have already separated the object from the background, click on the background and delete it. As you can see, I have a silhouette of a dog on a white background, and because I'm a Canva Pro user, I can then download that silhouette without the background. That is all. Silhouette images are trendy right now and you can create them in Canva. You can use them for party invitations, Instagram posts, logos, and so much more. The possibilities are endless when you are Canva Pro like me. Well, almost. So, give this Canva silhouette tutorial a try. It's an awesome skill to have in your back pocket. Just follow the simple steps and you will be a photo editing master in no time. And let me know how your silhouette creations turns out. So, I hope this video tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions, please use the comment section and I will try to reply.